Diagnosis of the foundation brake system begins by checking the brake chambers and airline fittings for leaks. Use an environmentally approved leak detector solution on all fittings to check for bubbles. This test will determine if repairs to the brake chambers or lines is required during the foundation system service. Then, check the brake application valve and the slack adjusters on the axle ends to ensure that they apply and release in unison. The proper adjustment on the slack adjusters is a maximum stroke less than 90 degrees. Look for worn components such as brake chamber mounting studs, nuts, and clevis pins, and make any repairs to these parts prior to road testing the vehicle. Road test the vehicle in an isolated area, making several brake applications. Look for unusual noise, grabbing brakes, and steering pulls. Any of these conditions will have to be further diagnosed during the brake system service. On an S-cam drum brake system, the brake chamber drives a push rod to the slack adjuster. Motion is transferred via a camshaft to the S-cam that forces the brake linings against the drum. The brake shoes are mounted on a spider and ride on rollers to reduce friction between the cam and the shoes. Heavy return springs hold the shoes against the rollers and the spider pins to keep them in the retracted position. Weak return springs will cause dragging brakes and slow release times, resulting in excessive heat and could lead to brake failure. Return springs must be replaced each time the foundation brakes are overhauled. For maximum leverage, the angle between the brake push rod and the slack adjuster must be 90 degrees when the brakes are fully applied. Most all of today's brake systems use automatic slack adjusters. Slack adjusters control the amount of free play or the distance the chamber push rod moves before the linings contact the drum. Excessive free play will cause a delay in brake application. Insufficient free play will result in brake imbalance and grabbing brakes. Automatic slack adjusters require periodic adjustment and maintenance following the manufacturer's recommended procedures. Failed slack adjusters can be rebuilt. Diagnosis of foundation brake problems relies on road testing to verify the concern and getting good information from the customer. Poor brake application can be caused by excessive free play in the slack adjusters, leaking brake chamber diaphragms, broken brake chamber springs, air leaks in brake chamber fittings, improper slack adjuster angles, bent or broken cam brackets, or worn linings or drums. Poor release time can be caused by weak return springs, clogged exhaust ports, restricted or collapsed hoses or tubing, or binding linkage. Grabbing brakes can be caused by grease-contaminated linings, sticking shoe guide or anchor pins, weak or broken return springs, or loose drum or brake mounting bolts. Uneven braking can be caused by improperly adjusted or worn brake linings, contaminated linings, broken return springs, out-of-round drums, failed brake chamber diaphragms, or broken foundation brake parts.